Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing salala. So I got a bunch of other stuff, but this is just I'm just making one fun. Glitter, contact solution, blue. I got some container. I just need one. And how big is soda, girl? But that's it. So let's get started. So guys, I'm just using this because I don't want to use a bowl because my grandma gets mad when I don't. I can just throw this away. My grandma gets mad when I get glue in the sink. So yeah. Gosh, why are you watching so violent? That's my grandpa. But here we go. Put some glue on here. So, I want to make sure it fills this whole thing. If it doesn't, that's gonna suck because I have a lot of glue. This was only 54 cents, so I got a lot of glue. A lot. You okay with this lemonade? Guys, I'm gonna fill it up with some water, and then yeah. So, I want to like the Ghibli kind of. So, put that water in. I'm not gonna do it any color. I'm just gonna do it white. I think. I'm gonna do it white. I'm gonna do a white flowing. They like come crazy. What the heck? So, let me get my contact solution. I mean, my baking soda. Trying to hurry this up because.
What are you doing?
Making something.
You're not making that slime, are you?
I used a paper plate so I can throw it away. Grandpa hates when I make slime. So does my grandma.
Why are you doing it there with that chair sitting like that?
Because I need to sit up. Now, get the contact solution. Open this up. I don't know if I should mix it right now, but yeah. Okay, hurry up, put it in. Let's see what percent my phone is at. Oh my gosh, it's only at 10. It's about to go down. So let's put some contact solution on there. Yeah. So mix it real good. Okay. Sorry for the TV in the background. My grandpa is watching the movie. Need a little bit more contact solution. Oops. That was a lot. We're going with this lemonade. Yes, it's done.
Are you sure, Pat?
I need a little more contact with that solution, girl. It's a little bit wet because I need to mix it. Let's put this over here. Ooh, I like. Smells. I need to see glitter. Kind of a lot. That's so beautiful. I don't know if you can see that right now, but it is so beautiful. 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 This is so, wait, I love it. I love this slime so much. Needs more glitter. Again. I definitely need some more glitter. A lot more. Let's get it over here. Yo, this is cool. Okay, no more glitter. Hold on. I need to save some of this. Ow! You can see that. So pretty.
Walter should call these things in the hospital. Yeah, I was. I think they checked you out. See? Okay. I just need to get this up clear. Hey, Abby. You were shot.
It won't show.
Newsflash, I'm not a vet. You don't have paws in your tail. Hey, when stuff has been happening to you, you need to see someone. I'm seeing the only person I need to see.
Okay. So, a little more glitter. Just a little bit more. And hopefully that video because my phone is literally almost dead.
You sure now?
Okay, this time I'm really done. The glitter. Oh, it doesn't make the crunchy noise anymore because I put a lot of glitter. Now, Becky. Just the rain. It's kind of crunchy.
Citizen workers. He gave us a bigger scare just leaving the hospital like that.
Stretchy.
You're not my deep tonight, TK. And I held a little bit up that wall. I wouldn't be here. You guys didn't make it out.
And I'm gonna do it so
I
I didn't make it out. Doctor, you know, reported